Ever wondered how many devices are logged into your Mobile Legends account? No need to stress. Today, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through checking the device list linked to your Mobile Legends account and show you how to log out from all devices with just a single click. So, let's dive right in. First off, open up the Mobile Legends app on your device. Once you're in the lobby, tap on your profile. Then, head over to the Account section. Next, locate the Account Center. Next, locate the Account Center option, usually found at the right corner of the screen. Give that a tap, and you will find yourself in the Account Center. Look for the Device Management option. Tap on it, and voila! Now you can see a list of to log out from all devices simultaneously. Simply tap on the Logout All button. Confirm your action by tapping on the confirmation prompt. After that, your account will be logged out from all the devices. And just like that, you're all set. That's how easy it is to manage your devices linked to your Mobile Legends account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below.